everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening up such a cute subscription. This is the second time I have received this. It is the Snail Mail Sticker Club, and I love that it comes in this mailing envelope. So much less waste, because sometimes with subscriptions you might just get like packets of stickers and they'd be like in a box. So I really appreciate the packaging. Super cute too. I can't show you the front because my address is on it, or maybe I'll just cover it up. But just so cute and festive when you see this in your mailbox. It's just so fun. So I got a message from the owner and they had some changing in their pricing, but for the better. Usually when you get those messages, it means the price increased. But let me read that to you. So it says, "Hey babe, wanted to let you know for a Snail Mail Sticker Club, we changed our currency to Canadian. So the packs are $15.95 Canadian, which is about $12 US right now. Cheaper for everyone, and we can focus on making it even a better experience instead of doing money exchanges back and forth. Embracing our true northern roots as Canadian biz." So I think before it was like $12.50 or something like that. It was a little bit more. So the price has decreased a little bit. So when you, if you feel like subscribing, and you go on their website, you might see it's Canadian, but the exchange rate is $12 US if you are in the United States. So I will of course leave the link down below if you want to check out their website. Anyways, let's see what fun stickers we got this month. So they did give me a code to share with you all again, which is super amazing. So it says, "We want to thank you for reviewing our sticker pack by giving your readers an awesome perk. The code below is worth 20% off your first month, and the code is Kitty20, which of course I will leave down below near the link in the description box if you guys are interested. And on here it gives a little bit more information about what's inside. If you didn't catch my last video, I will just read that really quick. So before it was $12.95 US dollars. Okay, so now it's $12 US. And you get a bright fun envelope full of 10 or more sticker sheets of all types, big frameable postcard, 2 affirmation cards, one for you and one for a friend. There's free Canadian and US shipping, and it's $6 shipping international. And it says subscribe by the end of the month, it ships by the 6th. And then there's a card that says it's June. So it says, "Yay for Happy Mail. Are you in that I can't believe it's June already camp? Yeah. Or did May drag on for you? We hope your June is full of fun, joy, and laughter. This month's affirmation is anything is possible, and it's so true. Take some time today to think about all the things you have already done that seem crazy and impossible at first. You did it already, you can do it again. Here are your favorite stickers this month, or here are our favorite stickers. What are yours?" And then they talk about their favorite stuff. So that's so sweet. I love that positive affirmation. So here is the postcard for the month. Very cute. And there's the back if you did want to mail it out, or you can like hang this up, do whatever you want with it. And then here are the affirmation cards that say anything is possible. And there is a cat playing in a box, as usual, if you hear anything. So all the stickers come in this little bag, super cute little snail on there, snail mail. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, so cute. This first one has like sloths on it and like pineapples, so many cute things. Hopefully you guys can see and it's not too reflective. And then we have one that has like cute little fishies and stuff on it. The next one definitely has like a birthday type theme. There's like cakes on it, cupcakes, just like definitely like party theme, I should say. I'm hoping you guys can see it. Is that a little bit easier? So cute. The next one has like llamas and stuff. This is so great. And there's like some cactus and cacti on there, I should say. I love stickers. They're so cute. I'm like a child. Like, you guys can enjoy this, or you can get it for like kids, like this a fun family activity. Like, who doesn't love stickers? Oh, these are like stars. I think this would be perfect for like a teacher too. Like, this made me think of it, like putting this on your little kids' papers and stuff, your students' papers. Oh my god, this might be my favorite one. Let me get this off. This one is so cute, you guys. I like love cows and like farm animals. There's even some cats on this one. This is so cute. Here, let me. Adorable. I hope you guys are able to see how cute these are. The next one has a bunch of fruit and stuff on it. Super cute. Love strawberries. Perfect for this time of year. Oh yeah, these are adorable. And the next one looks like ones you can actually color in, which is super fun. These are like owls. There's some gold on it, but you can use colored pencils or markers or whatever you desire to color in the remaining, which I think is so fun. And then we have some food items. This is like in neon colors. There's like ice cream and pizza and a bunch of good stuff. Yum, this is making me hungry. Love the neon. And then we have some more animals, and there's like some quotes in here like Jungle Adventure, Wild Things, Animal Crossing, Roar. And there's an elephant. You guys know I love elephants so much. The next one is like heart faces, and they all are making different faces. Super cute. Like I would say it's like a heart emoji type thing. So cute. And then last but not least, we have some like ponies and some cute girl in here. You Are My Sunshine. Super bright and fun. So yeah, isn't this such a cute, fun subscription? I think the stickers are so good. They're all so different. I love the diversity of the stickers and how cute they are. I feel like everyone can get some enjoyment out of this. And the affirmation cards, anything is possible. We all need some positive affirmation sometimes. I think that's adorable. So you guys have to let me know what you think below. Of course, I'm going to leave the link along with our coupon code if you want to save 20%. Anyways, thank you all for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!